Toy Bonnie, it's snowing. We need to get inside. There's like a bunch of snow. Okay, right? Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, come on. And the Jawas escorted the robot. Hey, Mangle, what? I'm trying to read my book. Toy Freddy. It's snowing really bad outside. I don't care. I just want to read my book. But it's snowing so bad outside. Who even cares? Everybody! Okay, so this is serious. We're gonna get 1 centimeter of snow. Oh my gosh! Oh no! Everybody stay indoors! We're getting 1 centimeter of snow, everybody! This is really bad! And Nightmare Foxy out. 1 centimeter of snow? Oh no! I need to tell Toy Freddy and Toy Bonnie. Toy Freddy! What? There's gonna be 1 centimeter of snow! Oh my gosh. Toy Bonnie! What? There's gonna be 1 centimeter of snow! Oh no! Man, it is freezing out here, even with my scarf. Whoa! What is happening? Do-do-do, I'm the news reporter guy. Do-do-do. Hey, what the heck are you doing out here? It's like freezing, man! Well, you're out here too. Oh yeah, I did not think of that. Shoot. Yeah, I think I'm just going to go inside now.